Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health, with another vaccine update. Today's update will include information about our vaccine supply, new guidance for pregnant women, and what we know so far about providing vaccines for teachers. As I explained in my last video, we have temporarily closed our vaccine scheduling process due to limited supply received from the state. This week, we were fortunate to get an additional shipment of vaccines from the state. We were able to give vaccines to some of you who were on our wait list. Unfortunately, this additional shipment is not guaranteed moving forward. All that is guaranteed for the next 2 weeks is a baseline of 600 first doses per week, as I shared in my last video. Because supply is so limited and uncertain, we are not reopening our scheduling process at this time. We will continue to use our wait list if additional doses become available. Please know that demand on this list is very high. There are currently more than 9,000 names on this list, so please know that we won't be able to call immediately when you sign up. We will move through this list as quickly as we can. To sign up for this wait list, visit the website shown on the screen. When we have a vaccine available for you, we will call to let you know. This call will show up on your call ID as Durham County Vaccines. If we are unable to reach you when we call, unfortunately, we will have to move to the next person on the list. So please try to answer when we call. This week, there has been an important change in vaccine guidance for pregnant women. Previously, pregnant women arriving to be vaccinated were required to provide a note from their medical provider. This week, CDC guidance has changed, and as a result, pregnant women are no longer required to provide a note from their provider in order to be vaccinated here at the health department or at our Southern High School site. Instead, pregnant women are strongly encouraged to have a conversation with their doctor before their vaccine appointment. Finally, this week, the governor encouraged all schools providing in-person instruction, and some of you have reached out to us with your concerns about this. These decisions will be made by the state and by the Durham Public Schools system. Some of you have asked if teachers will be given priority for vaccinations. Please remember that vaccine prioritization is determined at the state level, not by the county or the health department, and right now, teachers are included in the next vaccination phase, which is phase 3. This group includes teachers along with other frontline essential workers. At this time, the active vaccination groups per state guidance are still phase 1 and 2. We have not yet learned when Group 3 or Phase 3 will begin, but we will provide updates when we know more, and will work with the state to provide vaccinations to this new group as quickly and as safely as possible when the time comes. We are moving at a steady pace in our vaccine process. We hope to see vaccine supply increases that will allow us to reopen our scheduling process soon. In the meantime, we are currently vaccinating groups 1 and 2. This includes medical providers, residents, and staff at congregate living facilities, and individuals 65 years and older. We do not yet know when we will move to the next group or phase, and when new vaccination sites will open in Durham. But as always, we will continue to share information in our news releases, website, social media, and email updates. We can do this, Durham.